Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer to bank account in Metamask. Let's begin. So first things first, we just need to make sure that we're logged in successfully in your MetaMask so we'll be able to transfer your tokens or crypto from there. Now, since the title of this video is how to transfer to bank account. Basically, guys, what we need to do is you need to make sure that you have an online site or a trading site like Binance for you to receive your cryptocurrency from your MetaMask wallet before you could actually transfer them to your bank account. So how are we going to do that? So say for instance, I'm going to transfer my Ethereum from my MetaMask. You click on that token and then, hit on send like this one, because since we're going to transfer them, and then it will lead you to this page. So say if I already know my address, needs to paste in there, and then you hit on next. Say if I have an amount in there, you just need to put like how much that you want to transfer. When you hit on next, it will ask you for additional information for security purposes, just to make sure that your transfer is secured. But bear in mind that there's also a network fee that's associated with it every time you transfer tokens from your MetaMask. So say for instance I was able to process all of those, I would then go to my Binance wallet. Now pretending that this is the transferred Ethereum that's showing in here, what I would want to do is I will withdraw, and then there's an option there to withdraw fiat. And if I want to do that, say for instance my account has already set up my bank account, and then I would want it in USD. So here you can do that, and then with a fee that's associated, and then it's going to tell you it would be for 1 to 4 business days before it's going to be posted. Or there's another way for you to do that. You can do that through P2P. We do have another tutorial on how to use P2P of converting your crypto to fiat money. Just visit our channel and subscribe and hit like, and this is where you could learn more about cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.